Welcome back, Bandana Mechanic. Got a Toro 22 recycler. Another no drive issue. I know we've done a belt Toro video. We've done a cable Toro video. We've done one where a keyway was broken. And from what the customer was explaining and the sound I'm hearing, I believe this video will be something wrong with the wheels. So if I'm correct, it'll be a different video and I can show you this. I'll show, well, like I said, first what he said and then the noise I hear. Maybe you can pick it up on camera. Make sure it runs first. They tend to like to bring me stuff and say one problem and the thing don't even start. Always check the oil. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that grinding, but what I'm going to do is we're going to take a look at this wheel. It might be both, but I think that one over there, probably can't even see because I'm an idiot. Yeah, they both might be bad, but I'm suspecting, well, we'll just see. The only thing I can do, folks. But did you hear the grinding noise when I had it engaged? Like the wheels are spinning, but when there's weight on it, it's not. So, definitely makes me think inside these wheels, there's like, I mean the wheels are plastic, and there's a metal gear that runs the drive. So, and these wheels are stupid expensive too. They're probably like 40 bucks a piece. You might be able to find aftermarket ones for like 20, but we'll see if it's both or just one. Not sure what size they are, so bear with me. Let's see. That's a 1/2 inch, so I want you to try to be able to see. And get zippity zapper this thing off. Oh, yep. So, you see, all that ground right on off. And I suspect now possibly, ooh, yeah, messed up, looks like washer spacer too. Yeah, well, I'm gonna go ahead and zippity zap the other side off. We may have a double taker here. As bad as that one is, I definitely suspect both of them now. Because he must have been using it for a while with just one wheel working. It's not as bad. And pardon my idiotic. So on these, even though this plastic's shoot up, they run on this metal gear. That's my fault. What happened is this came off and got jammed up. Got jammed up in that metal gear. And I was keeping it from moving. May not need new wheels after all, actually. I just don't know how that came off of there. The bolt goes through it. Somebody might have been tinkering. More tinkeritis, I believe, is what caused this. Actually, I'm going to bolt this back up together. It might be working now. I think this piece of metal, you can see it's damaged versus the other side. Oh, that one's broken too. Look at that. So, I'll have to get a couple of these. I might have some in the back maybe. I'll go take a look. Somebody had these wheels off at one time though. Because that one, it's still round. It shouldn't have came off because the bolt goes through it. This one was broken. But since it runs on these metal gears, they're still good. So I think if I could find a couple of them on a used, well, this one I could still use probably on a used machine. I think we'll be alright, honestly. Let me just make sure I'm not talking out of my butt. I do that a lot. I'm an idiot, people. Well, yeah. The bolt goes through that, so that shouldn't have came off at all. And I'll show you that in a second, but I'm gonna go check my junkyard, see if I got something similar, and we can help this guy. Be right back. Well, I don't have nothing in the yard, so this is gonna be another order and wait. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on, bolt it back together here. Let me see. Can we see anything? Probably not. But you can see my stupid leg out of the way. That's how it sits on there. Yeah, somebody tinkered in here, and that's why we're in this situation. Is that gonna keep trying to fall off and put it on. Oh, of course I got my stupid stand right in the way. Hoo-yah! Alright. Ouch. Didn't say I was swift or smart, people. Remember, you're watching for your own entertainment. Nothing to do with learning anything. There we go. That in there. That there. Alright. Now I can probably make it run without that on there, but I'm not sending it out that way. But if it works, you'll see that that was the issue. I gotta do this other side. Alright. Do, 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 do. Can we see anything? Let's see. Working a little better. May also need an adjustment or a blade, or shoot, a belt. But you can adjust these cables, put a little more tension, which I'll do once I get the wheels right. But all that grinding noise is gone because that thing's not stuck in there. It's working, just it's not working as strong as I'd like. So I'm gonna get those little washers. I'm gonna get two. I'm gonna replace this one too, might as well. Then check the belt, adjust the cable. Probably look at the belt right now, actually. There's some good amount of slack. Like I said, you could get rid of that. Adjusting this cable up and down, which I've done a video on. So I can probably adjust that out. But yeah, it's not as wheel video as I thought, but you got to see some of these, they don't have a metal gear. It's plastic, and the plastic just gets ate up. This is somebody took these wheels off, didn't get the washer back on. Washer ended up sucked into the metal gear, and that caused it to, could have caused a lot more damage than it did. I'm surprised. But hopefully you learned something, and we'll see you next time.